Eyebrow mapping string instructions. Start by marking the middle of the face between the eyebrows with a vertical line. Then you draw a vertical line at the inner side, the starting point of the eyebrows. Orientate yourself on the inner eye corner. Make sure that the distance between the left and right line to the middle line is the same. Then determine the highest point of the upper brow arch. The client looks straight at the tip of the permanent artist's nose. Determine the highest point of the arch by drawing a straight line from the nostril across the center of the eye to the brow. To determine the outer, so the end point of the brow, draw a straight line that runs from the nostril and past the outer corner of the eye to the brow. Repeat on the other side for the second brow. Determine the thickness of the eyebrows. Draw a horizontal line at the bottom and at the top of the eyebrows. Attention, the beginning and end points of the eyebrow should have the same height. The end, outside of the brow, should not be lower than the beginning of the brow. To determine the height of the eyebrows, so the highest point of the brows, the two sides must be connected. Draw a horizontal line to determine the highest point of your eyebrow arches. Then, along the top edges, mark a straight line from the starting line of the brow to the top of the brow bone. Then, from the top highest point along the edge to the end of the brow. Repeat from the bottom edges. During the preliminary drawing that follows, the thickness of the eyebrows can be adjusted according to the customer's wishes.